I have Chevrolet CAPTIVA remote control system not working. In this video I will show you location, the door control receiver location and fuse location, information about the wiring diagram. This is the door control receiver. Customer brought me another one because the remote control not working. I fixed, but the problem is still same. There is the location for door control receiver behind this cover. This is a door control receiver, has 4 wire, pin 1, pin 2, pin 3 not to use, and pin 4 is ground. Pin 1 is B positive, pin 2 for the data line, and black pin 4 for the ground, used for ground. This was for B positive, hot all time. I fix another use one, but the problem is same. When I check the B positive pin number 1, no, I don't get B positive pin number 1. This is the wiring diagram. You can see red and white. Pin number 1 B positive. This is B positive. This is pin 2 for the data line, and pin 4 for the ground. There is one fuse. This is a very sacred place fuse. In this video I will show you location. Problem in this fuse when I check. Now I will show you location for this fuse. This is the passenger side seat. There is the location. For the fuse, this is the fuse for remote. Inside this cover, one fuse. This is the fuse. Is the problem inside this cover. Fix. Problem in this fuse. This is the location for the fuse. Now I fix the fuse. This is I remove. You can see this fuse is gone. I fix another one, and remote will be work, inshallah.
The audio receiver.
Thank you for watching.